How was the basement?
Not bad. There's plenty of usable space down there for it.
I hope you're liking this house as much as I am, because I'm liking this house a lot. So I'm hoping that you're feeling the same way. Please tell me you are. Please tell me you are. Please, God. Do you like this house as much as I do? Maybe.
Don't turn any of the water spigots on. The house has been winterized, so they have a water
Well, at least the basement hasn't been collecting mold and there's not water accumulating everywhere. So.
That switch doesn't work.
Oh.
To see what this room is for.
Yeah,
That's weird. Now, the sump pump is back in the corner and it drains
Okay.
out of the surface.
Okay, so there's the
So I want to take a look back there. It's
partial
got that
basement.
cross space